Hello, everyone. Here is Ricardo Vargas, and this is the 5 Minutes Podcast. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is becoming more and more relevant to our projects, AI agents. More specifically, the idea that decisions can be automated, but responsibility remains human. We are entering in a new phase where tools like Cloud Cowork, platforms like OpenClaw, and automation engines like NHN are no longer just to support our work. They are actually making decisions, triggering actions, prioritizing tasks, and even communicate with our stakeholders. And in many cases, these agents can read emails, interpret risks, update dashboards, and respond to things automatically. They can operate 24/7 without fatigue and with an impressive level of consistency. And this is super attractive. And this creates a tempting illusion, the illusion that responsibility can also be automated. But it's not. It doesn't matter how advanced the agent is. It does not own the outcome. It does not carry accountability. And it does not face the consequence of a wrong decision. You do. Organization does. The project sponsor does. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you build a workflow in NHN that reads incoming messages, identify risks using an AI model, classify probability and impact, and automatically updates your risk register. Maybe it even sends a response back with a mitigation plan. This is super powerful. This is super efficient. But what happens if AI misclassifies a critical risk as low? What happens if a mitigation is incomplete or wrong? The agent will continue running, but the project may fail. And when that happens, nobody will say the AI made a mistake. They will ask, who designed this system? Who is accountable? This is the key shift we must understand here. We are moving from managing tasks to designing decision systems. And this changes our role as project leaders. We are no longer just planning, executing, and controlling. We are defining boundaries. We are deciding what the agent is allowed to do. We are validating the logic behind automated decisions. In other words, we are becoming orchestrators. And with this orchestration comes responsibility. Using tools like Cloud Cowork can increase productivity dramatically. The use of OpenClaw or similar agent frameworks can scale up decision-making. But none of these tools can remove the need for governance. If anything, they in reality will increase it. Because the faster decisions happen, the faster mistakes can propagate. So here is the mindset I want you to take with you this week. Automate execution, augment decision-making, but never delegates accountability. Responsibility is not something you can outsource to an algorithm. It's a human commitment. And in a world of intelligent agents, this commitment becomes even more critical. Think on this week, and I hope you enjoyed this episode and see you next week with another 5 Minutes Podcast.